Mansa Kullar. I manage the social media marketing for Lipka group of companies. Lipka is a well-known brand in the home improvement industry. We manufacture kitchen and bathroom fixtures in India. Through this video, I would like to share a feedback from Lipka to AiSensy, because from the day we have started using it, we've realized that our engagement with customers has become extremely convenient. Conveying our daily offers, daily updates and messages to 1,000 to 2,000 customers at once has become very easy, and it is a very cost-effective as well as time-saving method to engage with our customers, and it has helped our business's growth as well as customer relations. So I would like to thank AiSensy for their incredible services through this video. Thank you.